During the ASDC government era at Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, the then CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Jodson Bay, laid a foundation stone for the Central Irrigation Scheme in 1997 at Sansika, Ambreng River, Kheroni, West Karbi Anglong. It was projected that the work was completed with the budget word crores. It was informed that some miscreants had projected the work to be completed and reported to the central government that the citizens are benefiting from the sluice gate constructed under the Central Irrigation Scheme in 1997. But when leaders of Karbi Students Association visited a site to get the actual facts regarding the irrigation scheme, it was found that the sluice gate was deserted without any maintenance work being carried out. The sluice gate was covered with bushes. KSA, while speaking to us, questioned the concerned authority as why the government did not take any action against it till date, and why is the KAAC silent on this matter. Hence, KSA appeals the concerned authority of KAAC to inspect the site and revive the irrigation sluice gate at Kheroni, following which KSA will strongly stage a protest against it, says Rensing Rongpar.
Labang so irrigation along nilutum nang humri lo nang humri pen ladak ke claim ke dama bang thanga thelong ja seta ladak 2006 aning kana bang ke ladak totally akam tang elo officially along ba akagos along bang dak ke klang bang tang thailo dak completion certificate ka do thailo ladak ang tonakam tang thai phit wisame dak nilutum hawara tum bang ke dak non puan ta labang so lang jun long le dak puthak posi pining nilutum dak sansika long nang humri nang kok lasi labang so scheme bang prap jin pen ke deng serak je phansi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council atom phan nilutum tuning
Mohan Teron's report from Kheroni, Karbi Anglong Live.